All right, Bill, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. It is a Borla stack injection. Got your Cobra covers. It's got a custom grind solid roller with the front end on it. Your alternating charger, front sub-wall pan. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X, great system. Go in there and make a run, see what it does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, let's see, 3,600, 495 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 562 pounds. That's awesome. That's the stack injection, which is really a long runner. It makes awesome torque, sacrifice a little bit of horsepower, but it made 594. We rated it at 600. It's got a front end on it. That's about 10 to 15. So it runs really good upstairs. That's kind of our new solar head package. Pretty impressive. So what we'll do is pull the pipes back and make sure it's good and clean and show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, a USB card. It's full of technical information. Got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have engine numbers, some other specifications. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, got this QR code, hover on that, take you to some other tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this stuff. It'll really help you out. Have a great day.